Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this holds second you've been looking changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised, I was completely sold. It is worth every single penny cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before tape price goes back up. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this holds second you've been looking changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised,